G'day, my name's Bill Rucks. I'm from Water Alchemy Ltd, New Zealand. I'm in the biogas business in the installing and training of indigenous people in the Pacific. Principally been working in Papua New Guinea in the Western Province. Water Alchemy was contracted via a development foundation within Papua New Guinea to provide solutions for remote area electrification and energy supply, and also to address health and environmental issues in the Western Province area. As a biogas trainer and installer, we work with a process called anaerobic digestion. That is the process of converting organic material to biogas, and this is a totally natural process. Water Alchemy principally works in developing countries and providing solutions for remote villages in the reduction of pathogens within water tables to reliance on fossil fuels. Water Alchemy works with existing infrastructure in these regions. We convert old septic tanks, new septic tanks, plastic tanks, and convert them to recover their energy. One of the co-benefits of the work we do at Water Alchemy is the reduction of smoke affected diseases within the womenfolk, and also the possibility of fires within village houses. Through a biogas system, we move everybody to cooking with stoves as opposed to open fires. Equally, they won't have to harvest any wood out of the forests, thus reducing deforestation. Within the work that Water Alchemy does, one of the principal aspects is to do a pilot program. This will demonstrate to local shareholders and stakeholders of the villages how this whole system works, and this will be done in a culturally acceptable, environmentally sensitive manner. And after we've completed a pilot to the expectations and the requirements of which we're working under, we will then conduct a training program. A training program consists of three main areas. It has a variable training ratio of between 90% hands-on and 10% theory. Within the construction phase of our work is that we work with the community's selected people to train them on constructing digesters out of different types of material, being concrete, fiberglass or plastic. Installation. Once our system has been built, we will then work on the logistics of transportation of the digester to site. Once our system has arrived on site, we then work with our local village people in the aspects of installation, which include digging holes, laying pipes and doing plumbing. And all of this will be done within a very strict safety regime. Within the training program, commissioning is a very important aspect, is when we return to the site and make the system go post-installation. This is a system where we use local people, train local people to be able to understand how their system works, local village owners, household owners, to make their biogas system work consistently forever. Within the training program is not only are we building digester systems, we are actively getting local people to a standard where they can achieve biogas installation certification. This will empower villages, it'll empower communities, and will empower your young people. These people will be able to have the skills from the construction of the digesters through to the installation and commission systems, not only in your own village but in other villages. Our motto at Water Alchemy is to train and sustain instead of construct and leave. Some of the outcomes of a biogas system will be the accessibility for villages to renewable energy, and that renewable energy will be able to provide the villages with cooking, lighting, refrigeration, freezing, electrical generation, and even compression of biogas for vehicles. These processes are all what come with a biogas system. One of the other co-benefits is, from the health perspective, is the reduction of respiratory diseases relating to fires. This is a very important thing within villages because it affects the majority of the women. Equally will be the reduction of bacterial contamination of water via long drops and these other processes. One of the other aspects that Water Alchemy supplies will be ongoing support for the local biogas team. Within Water Alchemy's ongoing involvement with your village biogas program is the exclusive supply of biogas equipment. Within this exclusive contract, we will be able to manage the quality of the biogas equipment that we'll be supplying to you and your village to maintain the safety of your people.